I would like to re-emphasize the importance of consistency. If you guys, any of you cannot do a live class, we are giving out recordings. Make sure आप अपने समय, suppose morning में for some reason नहीं कर सकते ना, तो take the recording. We have other batches also. We have started playing, and one of us, Deepshikha or me, would be available. Those will be recordings, but we will be available. And after those classes, we will be available to answer your questions and all that. है ना? So the point is, कभी by chance आपको ऐसा लगे कि morning में live नहीं कर सकते, you have 2 or more options. है ना? So but make sure you remain consistent, right? So yeah, so yesterday we did Sthira Sukham Asanam. Always make sure your practices of asana is something which is stable, not stretching too much. Overstretch kabhi nahi karen, kabhi bhi. It is actually detrimental, giving your 100%. So keep some margin of comfort. जितना भी मैं कहूँ वो कम है. That whenever you are in asanas, remain comfortable, right? That is one. Then today I'm going to introduce some very basic things about asana. Every asana has got 4 stages. Starting position, from where you start, then going into the asana till you reach the final position. So this is how the asana is. You start from point A, you go into asana till point B. That is the second stage, going into the asana till the final position. In final position mein you hold the asana. That is stage 3. And then stage 4 is you hold the asana for some time, you keep breathing, you hold the asana, and you are, the only thing which is moving at that time is your breath. Otherwise हम आसन को hold करके रखते हैं. And the 4th stage is coming out of the asana. Now in these 4 stages, the 3rd stage is the most important, holding the asana. Yeah, that is why, जैसे yesterday I said कि if you are really stretching the muscle a lot, holding will be a problem. So you do little less. Why? All the benefit of the asana, हर आसन में कुछ benefit मिलता है, right? That benefit of the asana comes in holding the asana. Always remember that. What is it? आसन का लाभ जो है वो आसन को होल्ड करना, यानी तीसरी स्टेज, आसन की तीसरी स्टेज को हम जितना होल्ड करके रखें. योगा बुक से हर आसन को 5 मिनट तक होल्ड करो. Yeah, that is when you practice holding the asana for 4-5 minutes, you get perfection in that asana. उस आसन में सिद्धि प्राप्त होती है. But 4-5 minutes is little impractical, and so we hold maybe for beginning में 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Even that much is a lot. So the point is, hold the asana for a long time. Yes, coming out. Now, what do you do when you hold the asana? मन का जो nature है, स्वभाव है, mind will run away, correct? It will start planning something important today, tomorrow, or something happened. It will go there. So at that time, in that asana, yesterday also, suppose you are lifting your both the arms. You hold it for some time, you will notice the stretch. Now every asana, there is an area of primary stretch. What is it? Primary. मतलब क्या? उस आसन में कहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा stretch लगता है? That is primary stretch. So if I am in this asana, the primary stretch is in this area. Correct? Yes or no? It is not in the lower back. But when I bend forward, lower back. Is that right? When I raise my right leg, it will be in the right thigh, right buttock, something like that. If I lift my left leg, the primary stretch will be in the left thigh, left buttock. Yes or no? Are you getting this? हाँ, सो एवरी आसना देर इज अ एरिया ऑफ प्राइमरी स्ट्रेच, जहां सबसे ज्यादा। तो क्या करना है, वेन यू आर होल्डिंग द आसना, यू टेक योर अटेंशन देर, अटेंशन, मन को वहां केंद्रित करना है, वहां पर मन को टिकाना है। माइंड इज हियर देयर प्लानिंग, ये करना है वो कर, नो, ब्रिंग दैट माइंड टू द प्राइमरी स्ट्रेच एंड कीप इट देयर। आपका मन है, मन को फोकस आप कर सकते हैं, प्रोवाइडेड यू हैव अवेयरनेस। हाँ, मेरा मन अभी भाग गया, ब्रिंग इट टू द प्राइमरी स्ट्रेच। अभी ब्रेकफास्ट की प्लानिंग कर, ब्रिंग इट टू द प्राइमरी स्ट्रेच। अभी इसको ईमेल करना है, उससे पेमेंट कलेक्ट करना है, उसको फोन करके झाड़ना है, बाई नहीं आई आज उसको डांटूंगा, ब्रिंग इट बैक। माइंड हैज so many things, correct? Bring it back, keep, that is the practice called abhyasa, bringing the mind to the present, bringing again and again and again and again. What will be the advantage? किसी भी चीज की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं enough, if you practice that enough, it becomes a habit. Yes, now what are you practicing? You are practicing the, you know, suppose you say I'm learning yoga. What is the highest in yoga? उसके ऊपर योगा में कुछ नहीं है। द हाइएस्ट इन योगा इज बीइंग इन द प्रेजेंट, दैट इज द, देयर इज, दैट्स द हाइएस्ट थिंग इन योगा। व्हाट इज इट? वर्तमान में रहना। व्हाट आर वी डूइंग? राइट फ्रॉम डे वन ऑफ आवर क्लास वी आर प्रैक्टिसिंग आसन में, ब्रिंग इट बैक टू द प्राइमरी स्ट्रेच। जहां भी स्ट्रेच है वहां मन को लाएं, लाते जाएं, फिर जाएगा, फिर लाएं, फिर जाएगा, फिर लाएं। प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस। The purpose of yoga is this: flexibility, strength. Those are smaller purposes. Are you getting this? Huh? Once it becomes habit, you know what will be the biggest advantage? क्लास के बाहर बाकी के दिन में भी आपका मन वर्तमान में रहना शुरू कर देगा, चिंताएं गायब हो जाएंगी, anxieties will disappear, anger will start to reduce. Because anger, anxiety, fear, worry, it's all because of mind in the past or the future. So we have to develop the habit, and you start with your class. While doing the asanas, मन को primary stretch पे लाएं. While doing the pranayam, kapalbhati, stomach is moving. Bhramari, this is moving. Pranayam में, where do you feel the vibration? Every pranayam there is a vibration. After the pranayam is over, you see, where am I feeling the vibration? माथे में, chest में, पेट में, shoulders में, wherever it is. It's not important, but bring your mind there. Are you getting this? हाँ? So वो आपका स्वभाव बन जाएगा, वर्तमान में रहना। फिर क्या होगा? बगैर बात के खुश, एवें ही कहते हैं, एवें ही खुश रहेंगे, right? So the practice begins on the mat. Otherwise in life, bringing the mind present is difficult. But you start from the mat, and it will trickle into all the parts of your life. From all the parts of your body to all the parts of your life. In your office, with family, traveling, when we are interacting with people. कहते हैं ना, yoga is a way of life. What does it mean? It means your practice on the mat trickles into the life. That is the purpose of yoga. Are you getting the picture? How the correct practice starts to affect the smallest areas of your life. That's when from a yoga practitioner you start to become a yogi. You know, sthir, calm, enthusiasm, all those things. Yes? Are you getting the picture? I'm sure many students who have been practicing with doing this class, you have already felt these things. Yes, Kamini ji and Abha ji and Deepak ji, they have been doing our class for a long time. Meenakshi ji, Purnendu, many old students, Rinku, you have already been experiencing this, right? Yes or no? Correct. So hold the asana, take your attention there. And the breath is moving in and out, in and out. So what you do? You breathe into the, जहां भी स्ट्रेच लग रहा है मन को वहां टिकाएं, केंद्रित करें और सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते। सी, प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस, ऑल इनहेलेशन, जब आप सांस अंदर भरते हैं, इट ब्रिंग्स प्राणा, ब्रिंग्स एनर्जी. इनहेलेशन, अंदर आती हुई सांस ऊर्जा प्रदान करती है, ऊर्जा लेकर आती है अपने साथ. बाहर जाती हुई सांस रिलैक्स करती है शरीर को. आप योगा करें या ना करें, दिन भर यही हो रहा है. इनकमिंग ब्रेथ energizing your body, bringing prana, the same prana which you get from food or sleep, the same prana breath inhalation brings. What does exhalation, what is the purpose of exhalation? Brings relaxation. When you breathe out, to some extent, आप उसको पहचाने या ना पहचाने, the body relaxes. So our body is a continuous process of energizing and relaxing, energizing and relaxing, energizing and relaxing. Okay, so you will make use of this quality of breath, of exhalation. When you exhale in the asana, mind is उसको केंद्रित किया है प्राइमरी स्ट्रेच पे, तो सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते आपने कल्पना करना है या उसको फील करना है, एज यू ब्रीदिंग आउट, वो जो खिंचाव है, टाइटनेस है, जहां मन टिकाया, वो रिलैक्स हो रहा है, रिलैक्स हो. आर यू गेटिंग दिस पिक्चर एवरीवन? स्ट्रेच जहां है वहां पे मन को टिकाया और सांस चल रहा है, सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते उस खिंचाव को, वो टाइटनेस जो है, स्टिफनेस है, उसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं रिलैक्सेशन में. यस, नाउ दिस टेक्निक, with the Guru's grace, I got this formula. It's called SAER. When you go into asana, you experience the stretch. A is attention on the stretch. Keep your awareness, attention on the stretch. Bring your mind to that stretch. E is exhale. Exhale into the stretch. उसके अंदर सांस छोड़ेंगे. And R is relax the stretch. So stretch, attention on the stretch, exhale into the stretch and relax the stretch. Got this? So this is how, this is the whole technology. This is actually a technology of asana. I will repeat, 4 stages: starting position, going into the asana, holding the asana, coming out. Most important, holding position, holding the asana. While you're holding, मन को स्ट्रेच पे लाए, जहां टाइटनेस है, जहां खिंचाव है, अवेयरनेस वहां लाए. फिर सांस चल रही है, आसन रोका हुआ है, एक्सेल इनटू द टाइटनेस, वो जो टाइट लग रहा है वहां, उसके अंदर सांस छोड़ेंगे और उसको रिलैक्स रिलैक्स रिलैक्स. ना, इस प्रैक्टिस का एक बहुत गहरा बेनिफिट है, वो मैं 1-2 हफ्ते के बाद बताऊंगा. जब आप उसको कर चुके होंगे, then I will tell you the benefit. Very, very deep benefit. It takes you spiritually very far, that benefit. Yeah. But this is the basis. Got this, everyone? Now, one last thing. I know I'm talking, but this is very important to know the ABC of correct yoga. Now, you must have noticed, जहां से भी जीवन में आप अटेंशन हटा देते हैं, वहां गड़बड़ होनी शुरू हो जाती है. सपोज सम फैमिली क्राइसिस, सम सिचुएशन, ऑफिस काम से आपका अटेंशन हट जाए, वहां पे बॉस की कंप्लेन आती है या नहीं आती, या आपके कुछ काम में गड़बड़ हो जाता है, करेक्ट? समथिंग गोज रॉन्ग विद कस्टमर्स, विद क्लाइंट्स एंड ऑल. देन यू कंप्लेन, ओके, आई हैव टू पे अटेंशन टू द. You start paying attention, complaints disappear. Correct? Yes or no? Then you put too much attention on the office, at home complaints begin. Yes? Is it our experience? You shift your attention to home, complaints disappear. Right? What does it mean? उसका मतलब क्या है? Means attention is healing in nature. आप जिधर भी attention डालें, वो जगह ठीक होनी शुरू हो जाती. It heals. Wherever you put your attention on relationships, relationships will heal. Work. Similarly, health, put your attention on health, health becomes better. Same principle is used in yoga. You start putting your attention sending your prana, putting your attention is putting prana there. Attention is prana. You put it there, various parts of your body start healing. आप नीचे नहीं बैठ सकते, you have a problem sitting down, start putting your attention. Okay, how can I sit down? Maybe for 10 seconds, 20 seconds. In 1 month, I promise you, you will be able to sit down. You're putting attention. Attention is prana, and prana is healing. Yes? Did you get this? So, one last thing is listening to your body. We don't do that. This is very important. I am teaching the class. Deepshikha is teaching the class. You see how much copy. You have to copy the teacher. Copy what we are doing, not how much we are doing. Yes? हम कैसे कर रहे हैं वो कॉपी करें, हम कितना कर रहे हैं वो कॉपी ना करें. We have 15-20 years of practice behind us. So listening to your body. Now, suppose this is your spine. Everybody pay attention and then we will start the class. What does listening to your body mean? Suppose this is your spine. Now, you bend little bit, nothing. You bend more, थोड़ा खिंचाव लगता है लोअर बैक में जब फॉरवर्ड बेंड करते हैं, थोड़ा और खिंचाव बढ़ गया, stretches quite a bit, थोड़ा और पेन, राइट? सो फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ कहाँ से खिंचाव शुरू हुआ टिल द पॉइंट कहाँ पेन आया, फर्स्ट पॉइंट वेर यू गेट पेन, दिस इज योर रेंज. वो आपका रेंज है और हर व्यक्ति का रेंज अलग होगा. आपको आसन किस में करने हैं, फ्रॉम द पॉइंट जहां से स्ट्रेच आता है टिल द पॉइंट फर्स्ट टाइम पेन कम्स, उससे आगे जाएंगे और आगे पेन आएगा, देन दैट्स नॉट गुड. यस, आर यू गेटिंग दिस? हमको अपने शरीर को आदत डालनी है. वी हैव 3 months. गो स्लो, फाइंड योर रेंज, फाइंड योर कैपेसिटी एंड डू अकॉर्डिंगली. यस, आप जो भी करना चाहते हैं we will do it for you. You just follow these small, actually they are not small, these important things, and your class will be very good, joyful. It will give you all the results. Yes, once again before we start, consistency, 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 consistency. That's the mantra. Yes. All right, think we are done. बहुत बात कर ली, कल से हम बात थोड़ा कम करेंगे. Yes, but we have observed that we need to really इसको ये सब चीज़ों को हमको ठोकना है ताकि वो अंदर घुस जाएं. इन सब पॉइंट्स के बगैर आपका क्लास इनकम्प्लीट होगा. So for the first 1 week we are going to drill this so that you get the importance, and then your class would be it will give you the required benefits. Yes, okay.